The detaining authority should have at least waited till the inquiry into the complaint made by the petitioner was initiated and completed, and the result thereof either in the positive or in the negative stop. Instead of waiting for that, the detaining authority immediately proceeded to pass order of detention against the petitioner, which indicates that even without subjective satisfaction of the detaining authority, hastily passed the order of detention for wrong purpose stop. This clearly shows that the detention order against the petitioner was passed for a wrong purpose, and on this count the same deserves to be quashed and set aside. Stop para. The High Court again went wrong in holding that two parallel and simultaneous proceedings were not permissible in law. Stop. The High Court, relying on Biram Chand stop. A perusal of the grounds of detention shows that crime number 76, Maunda district, Nagpur, was taken into consideration by the detaining authority for its subjective satisfaction. Stop. Now, in case the petitioner wants to make representation to the detaining authority against the order of detention, he is required to disclose his defense, which may cause prejudice to the petitioner in defending the criminal prosecution. Stop. In Brahmachand, state of Uttar Pradesh, and others, it has been held that if the authority concerned makes an order of detention under the act and also prosecutes him in criminal case on self-same facts, the detaining authority cannot take recourse to two parallel and simultaneous proceedings, nor can take recourse to a ground which is the subject matter of a criminal trial. Stop. Thus, on this ground also the impugned order of detention cannot be sustained. Stop. Para. Unfortunately, the attention of the High Court was not invited to Hardhan Sabha, wherein the Constitution bench did not approve the law laid down by this court in Biramchand. Stop. Referring to larger bench decisions, the court stated Article 14 is inapplicable because preventive detention and prosecution are not synonymous. Stop. The purposes are different. Stop. The authorities are different. Stop. The nature of proceedings in different. Stop. In a prosecution, an accused is sought to be punished for a past act. Stop. In preventive detention, the past act is merely the material for inference about the future course of probable conduct on the part of the detainee. Stop. The recent decisions of this court on this subject are many. Stop. The decisions in Broden, Giorgio. Stop.